Intermittent fasting, IF for short, is scientifically referred to as time-restricted feeding, or TRF. And simply put, it's all about reducing your eating window, aka the time when you eat, so that your body can reap the benefits of a fasted state. This eating pattern has been practiced for centuries, actually if you think about it, millennia, given that our ancestors had to hunt and gather to get food. Now, well, things are quite different. If you look at a standard eating schedule for most people, breakfast is between 6 and 7 a.m., while the last meal of the day might finish at 7 or 8 p.m., or even later if you consider pre-bed snacks. So on average, you might have a feeding window of around 14 hours and a fasting window of 10. Ideally, you should consider flipping the script to have at least 14 hours of fasting and 10 hours of feeding. But why should you do it? Before giving you any tips, I would just like to remind you to consult with your healthcare provider before you embark on any significant changes to your nutrition. And if you need help with that, we can actually help with our ultra-customized nutrition plans based on your gut microbiome and genome sequencing. Now, getting back to fasting, there's a lot of emerging research on the potential benefits of TRF, and one area of particular interest is how intermittent fasting impacts mitochondrial optimization. Mitochondria are the powerhouses of our cells, responsible for producing the energy our body needs, ATP. When your mitochondria function optimally, can have a profound impact on your overall health and longevity. You can do many things to optimize your mitochondrial health. For example, in last week's video, and by the way, thank you so much for all the views, we explored how Zone 2 and VO2 max cardio can help with that. But research shows that intermittent fasting can also help. During fasting periods, our cells experience a state of mild stress, triggering beneficial adaptations, including increased production of antioxidants, enhanced DNA repair, activation of autophagy, and reduced inflammation. All these changes can have a positive impact on your mitochondria, helping them function at their best. But why should you care about optimizing your mitochondrial function? Well, there's a lot at stake here, given that it improves cellular energy production, metabolic flexibility, efficient nutrient utilization, and overall cellular health. These effects may contribute to increased resilience against age-related diseases and potentially even longevity benefits. If you have found this video helpful and want to go deeper on the topic, you will find the full video link in the description. While if you're looking for guidance for your health and longevity journey, we've just opened the pre-registration for our upcoming longevity coaching program, a fully customized, data-driven and science-based 101 coaching program that will set you on the path to optimizing your health and longevity. You can save your spot from the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for daily longevity-related videos and see you in the next one.